Today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I set up my fingerprint here to the to the power key button, and now as can you see I can unlock the device with my fingerprint, and now I'll try to unlock the device a couple of times and we will see how far this feature is and as it works. So let's start. Not recognize it. Why not? Okay, now I just can unlock. I don't know what's going on with this. So when I'm just slightly touch the sensor here, when I can normally and really fast unlock the device, but if I'm pressing with my finger here, so it's here, just we got the message that the fingerprint not recognized. So just to unlock the device with the fingerprint, just slightly touch the power button here, because now I'll just press it with the power, and as can you see the fingerprint is not recognized. And now when I'm just simply touch that, you can see that we can unlock our device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.